Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to work on some word problems, okay? So go ahead and get your whiteboards out, get your markers out, whatever you need. We are going to start. Alright, so you have your whiteboards and your markers. Let's get started. I have 6 stars, okay? 6 stars. Then 3 stars disappear. 3 stars disappeared. How many stars do I have left? Good, I heard the number 3. Can you show me on your board the number 3? Good. Let's try this again. Count the elephants for me. Good, I heard you say 9. There are 9 elephants. Okay, 9 elephants. 4 of the elephants go walking away. Okay, 4 elephants walk away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elephants are left? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elephants left. Can you write the number 5? Good. There are 7 giraffes. Draw your 7. 7 giraffes. 6 giraffes go home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 giraffes go home. How many are left? That's right, there's 1 left. Okay? There are 8 leaves on the tree. 8 leaves. Good. 5 of the leaves fall off. 5 leaves fall off. Can you show me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many leaves are left? That's right, there are 3 leaves left. Last one. All right, how many parrots are there? Good, there are 8 parrots. 7 parrots fly away. Can you show me 7 parrots flying away? Good. How many parrots are left? There's just 1 parrot left. Very good, guys. So we have been doing math problems. We have been doing adding to and taking away. So remember, when you are taking away something, you can erase it, you can mark it out, you can color it in. There are different things to show that you can take something away. Okay? All right, don't forget to do your Canvas work.